Hey, I'm Adam Bose once again.
Hey, I'm Sarah Bose.
What? Oh my goodness. Okay. We're about to head off on our honeymoon. It is Sarah's very first time overseas, so it's very exciting. Let's get out of here. Sarah, you ready to go through duty free? First one going through customs, so some quick questions. Where are you flying from?
Sydney.
Do you have anything to declare tonight?
I love my husband.
Are you travelling anywhere other than Christchurch in your stay?
Rotorua and Napier and Wellington.
There you go. What is the reason for your journey here?
I'm on my honeymoon. My husband.
Oh, there you go.
Do you want to give me some sort of free, first class upgrade thing?
At customs.
Yes.
You can get into the country. There you go. That's your friends. Yeah, you're going to go really well. It's Sarah's first time through customs, so a little bit nervous, but she'll be right. We're about to go on a little cruise boat. Hopefully we're going to see some dolphins.
And?
We're going to see some penguins and seals. Hey Sarah, where are we? I just told you what it was. It's over there on the sign. You want to just turn your head around?
We're on a boat.
Okay. Maybe we'll just coast up close with wildlife adventures. Here in Akaroa. Gondola here in Christchurch. They had to stop the gondola so that myself and Sarah can get on, particularly me with my prosthetic legs.
Which the guy was super
enthused about it. I said, oh yeah, I'll need the thing to be stopped, and he's like, oh okay, any reason? I was like, oh yeah, I've got prosthetic legs, and he's like, really? Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, this is going fast.
Wow, so cool.
Aunty and cousin are up there.
I just went and joined the wrong tour group. Thought the tour guide looked a bit different. Okay guys, so we're here at the Hobbiton movie set tour. It's quite incredible. Hey guys, so we are in Rotorua at the moment. We had a wonderful day at Hobbiton today. We're now at Redwood Tree Forest. We've just driven in the hire car that my wonderful auntie rented for us for our trip in Rotorua. We're heading to Napier tomorrow to see my cousin down there, which will be fun. So we're going to go inside. We're going to see the night lights in the Redwood Forest here.
Pretty much lights hanging from the tops of the tree.
Yeah, so it's going to be really cool.
What is the concept?
That is the concept. Oh, and my and falling. Yeah, Sarah and I are currently walking along the bridge.
It's a wobbly bridge. So
It's a very wobbly bridge. Hopefully I don't drop the camera. Hey guys, so we're here in beautiful Napier. We just arrived here last night. We're just having another little tour around today. We're going to go see a winery or two. We're just here at the Bluff Lookout. And yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So we just arrived at my auntie's place, and this is the phenomenal view from her house. car. It's through the round window today.
What have we run into, Adam?
Just run into a St. Patrick's Day parade. Hey guys, so this is our final day in New Zealand. We've just gone around Wellington, flying out to Sydney. So we're doing a stopover in Sydney for 3 hours before we head off to Vanuatu, going through security again. And what happened the first time was that we actually went through pretty quickly. I just let a couple of people know about my legs at Sydney International Airport, and I basically had to stand in this big, tall cylinder thing. Put my hands above my head and then
Did a full body scan.
Full body scan. As you saw, I was testing Sarah on what the customs agents might say, as this is her first time overseas.
I was prepared, I was ready to go.
So prepared, and then nothing.
We literally just exited the airport without our bags even being scanned.
Yeah. So they might ask us something tomorrow, but
Yeah.
but into New Zealand was absolutely
A
cruisy.
breeze.
It's been a great first part of the honeymoon.
Yeah,
And,
can't wait for the second half.
Ready to go for the second half. See you guys soon.